All right, so this is a 2021 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon JL. It's an unlimited, meaning 4-door. And today we're going to be installing some side step rock sliders as well as some other stuff. So stay tuned. First, we're going to do some unboxing. We did a pretty good job boxing this up. Alright, now inside this box, we have instructions and hardware. So the first thing we have to do is take off these OEM rock sliders, which is going to consist of 1, 2, 3 large bolts, and then there's also some pinch weld bolts. It's a total of 9 bolts holding it on. So I'm going to go ahead and do these pinch weld ones first. And we're going to repeat the same thing for the other sets. All right, so we're gonna take off this last 13mm bolt, and then this piece will be free to come off. I'm gonna use the assistance of Mr. Jason McCulley to help me lift this. Jason? Wait. And off. All right, there's the OEM piece gone. All right, so now because we have the setup already done, we're gonna go ahead and put the driver's side rocker panel side step on, and it's going to consist of also 3 sets of 3 bolts, 2 going into the pinch weld, and then 1 going up underneath, which is a pre-existing drilled hole. As you can see, right, here's one, there's one right down there, and there is one right here. All right, so to install the rocker panel, you need 6 of these. You're gonna need 12 of these, and then you're going to need 6 of these lock washers. So get all that ready, and then get down there. Side note, Jay and I are wearing the same boxers today. right, guys, so the next thing we're gonna actually install, because I mentioned we got a bunch of stuff for the Jeep here, is the red hook dead pedal. So this is all the hardware that comes with it. We're actually gonna pre-assemble it ahead of time. There is one 13mm bolt that we have to remove. All right, so right there is the one 13mm bolt that you're gonna wanna remove. That's not... Okay, so we eyeballed it, and with this installed on the current settings, this is more or less where it's gonna sit, which is kind of flush with the brake pedal, and I want it to go a little bit deeper. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust these two to one more slot up. So I'm gonna slide this down one more. Good. All right, so I don't know if you can tell from there, but it does sit a little bit further back from the brake pedal. But that is the angle I want to install it. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten up that 13 mil up there. Tighten up the sliding bracket. On the back there, those back two. Should be good to go.
All right, guys, so the next thing is we're gonna remove the tool required roof bolts and replace them with these hand tight ones. It's real simple. All that you do is you use the included rubber washer along with the metal washer like that. We'll replace each one of these with one of these, and we'll show you what it looks like.
And one thing we're gonna add actually on this is also, we're gonna throw on some D-hooks. He said rubber. Here's that, and we are replacing it with this. All right, so here's the hand anchor we're gonna throw on. We did rubber washer, D-clip, metal washer. All right, and there you have it. Quick install. And now you can remove the top without needing any tools, and you've got these cool little accessory ringies. And next we're gonna be installing the Bullet Armor front tray mounting replacement. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to remove the rubber insert. Next you will notice that there is two hex head 6mm or Phillips head bolts holding this plate in, so we're gonna go ahead and undo those. All right, so now that we've removed the OEM dash, keep those two bolts handy because you're gonna use them to mount this. So this is actually the bullet point mounting solutions for the Jeep JL or JK, though the JK is a different kit, so make sure you buy the right one for your Jeep. So it comes with a bunch of hardware. This is what's gonna replace the dash. It's gonna be installed like this. Those two bolts that we took off are gonna be used here. These are your two base mounts, so you're gonna wanna put these wherever you want to mount them, and you'll tighten them with this hardware. And then what you'll do is you will set one of these doohickeys up, just loosen them up, place them on the ball, and tighten them up. And I'm guessing that I'll probably use this one for your phone mount, which will go in there. And then we will set up the GoPro mount on the other one. They came with an extra base just in case, I guess, you break yours, because they are identical. And it came with a rape whistle. That's cool. Everyone needs one of these. Yep, in the shape of a bullet.
Yeah.
It's the most manly rape whistle we've ever seen in our life.
It's like a 50 cal rape whistle.
The windshield, and I'm gonna put it in the furthest position it goes, which is just like that. Phone up like this. There's your bullet point. Nice. And because it's on a swivel, we can turn this. We can have it over here facing him.
It's a nifty little piece of hardware.
Yep. And this is the GoPro mount, which for right now, just to have it on here, I'm gonna put it down so it's not obstructing the windshield when he's not working. There you have it. So that is the bullet point mount. I like it. I might get one for my Jeep.
Yeah.
Hopefully this customer likes this. We're gonna do a quick walk around and show you everything that we did today.